Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Quick hair tutorial for you guys. As you can see, I just had two braids. I've already started, but two braids down the back of my head. I just slowly started taking them apart, taking them down. We're just going to take some water here. This is just regular water in a spray bottle. And we're going to start taking some braids down. But hold up, wait. You can take them down dry like this, or you can use some oil or something like that. That normally helps when you take the braids down. See, there it is. And this is just plain olive oil. So I'm just gonna lather my hands with that so it can help kind of keep the hair with the wavy look and not so fuzzy while you're taking it down. And now I'm just running my fingers through my hair to kind of coat it a little bit with that olive oil. Get some shine going. My bottle looks empty, right? But I'm getting some oil out of there. And we're just gonna do the same thing for the other side of the hair. And as you can see, I'm just like gently rubbing, loosely taking the braid out. Now we're just gonna tussle the hair a little bit with the oil. Tussle it, get it a little big, get some body going there. Moving it around. And then I normally just play with my hair to see how it wants to fall, how it wants to look, what it's doing, why it's doing, what it's doing. Boom, I found it. Found the look that I was going for. So we're just gonna kind of go with that. Taking that water spray bottle, moistening up the hair a little bit, make it nice and damp so it'll fall a little bit more looser. Or loosely. And as you can see, I'm just gently pulling over to that side because I just kind of want the hair to lean to that side. And then I want body. All of the lifting and tossing is just to give it body. This is one of the edge controls that I use, one of the two that I use. There will be an edge control review coming soon. I'm very new to edge control. I kind of just like the natural curl, even if it's a little bit fuzzy look. But a little edge control never hurt anybody. So as you can see, I'm like very mildly, touching on my edges there just to give it a little bit more control. But nothing too spiffy. Now we're just gonna play in the hair a little bit. Why? Because our style is done. How you like them apples? That's about it, y'all. Thank you so much for watching. Stay blessed. Stay tuned to the next video.